course, this is Tommy Guns Law, and I want to talk about, in today's video, something I'm not too sure how I feel about. Not only that, I think last week or so, or the week before that, there are countries now trying to figure out a way to block out the sun. So worried about climate control and I guess harmful rays, they want to figure out ways to block out the sun. Yep, that's happening. Now, here in America, the USDA has approved lab-grown meat. Wow. Yeah, man, I don't know. Like, long-term effects on this stuff, nobody knows anything, I don't think. And I know I can say that it's down the road, it could be very harmful. Other diseases can be contributed to lab-grown meat, cancer and all that. However, we already got those problems. It is out of control. Cancer seems through the roof. Diseases seem through the roof. And, you know, we've all heard the stories about chickens being jacked up with different hormones and steroids to make them grow faster or grow bigger too. And long-term effects just seem to be out of control. And I know people are like, oh, well, maybe if they had testing like this or social media platforms like this back in the day, the problems would have been the same. Detection of different cancers and stuff would be exactly the same. However, I do not think so. Everything is on the rise, and I'm not sure what's controlling such unhealthy human beings. You can contribute a lot to food. The shit that's in the food is not good. And lab created meat, I'm not sure is going to be any better. So they're basically using cultivated cells or animal cells to create this stuff. It's going to be in restaurants shortly and eventually on your shelves at the grocery store. Yeah, not sure how I feel about that. There's some people saying it will be labeled that it's lab-grown meat. Some say that they aren't going to do that, so I don't know. However, I would assume they would have to do that. Like when you go into the grocery store, you see grass-fed stickers on certain beefs and chickens. So I'm pretty sure that they have to let you know that it's lab-grown meat. So basically got some notes here. And I will put up some pictures during the video with some information that I found. So actually, they want to do this to stop the slaughtering of animals, help preserve environmental impacts, I guess, by killing animals. They graze, they do different things that preserves the climate or anyways the environment. So they're trying to protect that, which I totally get that. The way things are going now, probably in the next 100 years, I don't know, will be like how the world was in Terminator. There'll be nothing left but destruction. So, but anyways, yeah, so that's one of the reasons. And their number one contributor that's actually giving them money, who would think it would be PETA? Of course, PETA is against the slaughtering of animals. We all know they're fucking all over the place. However, some of their later things, they were actually completely against lab tested or lab grown meat. However, they're all for it. They've given $1 million to fund this shit. So we'll see how that goes. So basically, as you see, as I'm reading here, the stuff is actually grown in steel tanks using cells from living animals and fertilized eggs to create this meat. Not only that, apparently it comes out in big sheets and then it's cut up to look like chicken, I guess, chicken nuggets, chicken breast, or beef patties, whatever you may call it. So basically it's a big sheet of this lab grown meat. But on a positive note, I was thinking, I love to work out. A chicken breast, 6 ounce or 8 ounce chicken breast is about 20 plus 26, we'll say, grams of protein. Why can't they just go ahead and pump more protein in this shit and make, I don't know, make chicken breasts 40, 50 grams of protein? I don't know, just kind of joking on that one. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this long term. I think it's just basically the iceberg of what's to come. If they got lab grown meat now, what's next? And it's just crazy, scary. I don't know. Definitely let me know what you think, because I don't know what to think about it. You know, like, subscribe, Tommy Guns, and I'm out, baby.